guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙧. We're back in the tracks today. This is a part 2 video of the last video that we did installing COB style LED lights into our interior. You're gonna like these. Let's just hope that the modification I do works out. So I got the ones I had from last time. I'm gonna piece those together, and I got another set that should fit in the back seat properly, the back seat area. So let's get to it. Okay, so a little idea of what we're going to be doing today. Basically, the last video we put these type in the front and the rear. So 2 of these, one in the rear light in the back, and one in the front. So what we're going to do is I purchased these from Amazon around the same price, or 10 cents more, whatever, from the company Everbright. I'm going to put these 2 in the back, and what my idea is I'm going to solder these 2 together to make them one long piece, so it fills out the front better, and the light, I think, is going to look better. So we're going to do that, and I'm gonna be using this. I don't think I'm gonna film this because I'm not the greatest solder person that you know, but I'll leave a link to this. This is a pretty cool unit. What's it called? 𝙑𝙤𝙙𝙬 soldering gun. It's got a nice digital display. It heats up really fast. I'm not gonna keep that on. And it's got a nice little spool there. I got this, what was it, March 15th, and I don't get much use out of it, but when I need to solder, this is what you want to use. It's a great deal for about, I think it's 50 bucks. I think I paid less than that. I think they went up actually. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do. So I'll get this done and I'll get right back to you. Okay, so a little progress of what I did. So I basically took wire from some of the old parts that are in there that I can't use with this car, and soldered them together, and of course put some heat shrink with the lighter. And what we're going to do is attach it to here, and then I'm going to use this 3M tape, which is excellent. This stuff is great. I'll leave links to that, the soldering gun, etc. Anyways, let's get this put together. Okay, so I got it all put together. Let's hope this works when I go to plug it in. Really hope it does. I'm just going to clean it up with a little bit of backing. So I'm going to use electrical tape just to make it look better, and then I'm going to finally put a strip of this across, so when we stick it in the car it fits in there good. And then we're gonna take these out of the way here, put these ones in the back seat, or sorry, the back seat area, and see how they turn out. Okay, so there's the final product. So what I did is I just cleaned it up in the back with a little bit of electrical tape going across, and then I put that 3M stuff on. And those are going to go in the back seat. Let's hope this all works when we put it together. Okay, now the reveal to see if this thing actually works. Let's see if we can get it in that little gap. Oh, there it is. So now all we have to do, man, this is so hard to look at. Let's try to find out where we can tuck the wires in. Actually, you'd probably have to go that way. It should stick pretty good in there. Make sure all the wires are tucked. Oh my goodness, this is bright. Okay, got it in there. I put this down because it's giving it a reflection. So what I did is I just, with the wire, the long piece that you plug in, I just put it to the back of the taping, and it worked. So it's all in there now. There's plenty of glue, I guess you could call it, on that tape. Let's make sure those are in straight, and pop this thing back on. It's not even on. I can't see, it's so bright. this goes in first. There you go. Now we got to go to the back seat and see how that looks. Okay, if you put them in like this way with the wires facing the back and the wires all tucked in, the unit actually fits without you, like, you just squeeze it into the plastic there and it fits like that. So the question is just closing it up and seeing if that part works. Let's see. It looks like it does. I don't got it all the way in, but look like it's gonna click. Turn that on just to try one. Yeah, there's one there. Okay, there they are, with them both. All the wires tucked back, and let's see if you turn that off. You can actually see how I did it there. So that, yeah, you don't need to use the tape at all. It'll just like fit right in there. So there you go. All we gotta do is put the plastic cap back on. We're good to go. All right, the plastic cap is back on. See it? Yeah, it's so bright it makes it all blurry. So we're gonna do some dark shots now, like with lights out, garage door closed. We'll get that going. All right, guys, this is pretty impressive. I'm just sitting here looking at this right now. I can't stare at these lights too long. Let's see here. Yeah, there's the back seat one. Let's go around here. It's pretty bright, and that's all the lights out too in the garage. So look at that. I think a beauty. All right, guys, so that should do it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out my link tree. That's got all my social media links. I have a shop on there where you can buy stuff that I bought, including this mod that we did today. So anyways, until the next one, we'll see you. Have a good one and stay safe. Bye.